In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert regular table into a database table. If you've ever started with a simple table and later realized you need the power of sorting, filtering, and richer properties, this quick upgrade will save you time and keep all your content intact. First, navigate to the table you want to convert. Move your cursor toward the very top left corner of the table. As you hover there, look for a small drag handle that appears. It may look like a little grid or dots. When you see it, click it once. Don't double-click and don't start dragging. Just a single click. That one click selects the entire table in one go. When the table is selected, you'll notice an action menu appear nearby. This menu provides several options that apply to the whole table, and it's exactly what we need. In that menu, look for the option labeled Turn into a Database. Click it. That's the whole process. Your regular table is now a database table. What just happened behind the scenes? Your existing rows and columns have been preserved, but they've been upgraded into a database format. That means each column can now behave like a property. Things like text, numbers, dates, checkboxes, and more. You can also create views, apply filters, and sort your data in more flexible ways, all without retyping anything. A couple of quick tips. If you don't immediately see the drag handle, try moving your mouse slowly into the top left corner until it pops up. Make sure you click the handle itself rather than a cell, because clicking a cell will only select that single cell. If you accidentally begin to drag, just press Escape to cancel, then try again with a single click. And if you change your mind right after converting, use Undo to revert. Once the conversion is complete, your table gains database features instantly. You'll be able to explore options like changing column types or creating alternate views like a gallery or board later on, but you don't need to do anything else right now. The key takeaway is that the upgrade keeps your data as is and simply unlocks more powerful tools around it. That's all there is to it. Click the top left drag handle to select the entire table, use the action menu that appears, and choose Turn into a Database. Quick, clean, and incredibly useful when your simple table needs a serious boost.